Good morning. You are listening Shweta, your news anchor from Lavasara Media. Here we bring you the latest updated news of 8th of August 2020 from around the world. India on Thursday recorded its worst ever spike of 62,538 cases in a single day. With this, India tally of total cases has crossed the 2 million mark to now stand at 20,30,001. The death toll has soared to 41,627. Maharashtra has recorded its highest single-day spike of 11,514 coronavirus cases. Its tally now stands 4,79,779. Meanwhile, Andhra Pradesh is inching closer to 2 lakh mark. It has added over 10,000 fresh cases for second day in a row. Worldometer record 2,71,577 new cases worldwide in the past 24 hours. As many as 1,92,57,726 people around the world have been diagnosed with COVID-19 infection so far, while more than 1,23,54,072 have recovered. 7,16,519 have died. Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide case seems to be getting more complicated with each day, with his father K.K. Singh filing an IFR Riya Chakravarti in Patna, charging her with abetment of suicide, theft, wrongful confinement and cheating as well. Meanwhile, the central government has accepted the request of Bihar government recommending a probe by Central Bureau of Investigation in the case. The call data record of Riya Chakravarti states that 8,008 calls were made to Shruti with 289 to Somal Miranda. The record also revealed that she was also in touch with at least 2 top psychiatrists. A day after heavy showers pounded Mumbai and neighbouring areas, the rain intensity reduced on Thursday morning and water receded in some flood areas, leading to a gradual resumption of rain and road transport service, officials said. However, some areas in South Mumbai, which witnessed a record on rain on Wednesday, were still waterlogged. They said the Indian Meteorological Department has predicted moderate to heavy rainfall in the city and suburbs and intense showers in some parts of Mumbai metropolitan region in next 24 hours. The BCG vaccine, originally made against tuberculosis, has a generally stimulating effect on the immune system and is therefore effective against COVID-19, say researchers. The study, published in the journal Cell Report Medicine, compared group of volunteers who have received a BCG vaccine in the past 5 years before the corona pandemic, showing that the vaccine is safe and possibly influence COVID-19 symptoms. It is very important to inform that someone who has been vaccinated with BCG does not experience any increased symptoms during the COVID-19 pandemic, said study researcher Mihai Netai from Radboud University in the Netherlands. The IBD has predicted moderate to heavy rainfall in Mumbai and the suburbs and intense showers in some of the parts of the Mumbai metropolitan region still Friday. A railway spokesperson said local train service resumed around 7:45 am between the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaja terminus and Thane on the main line and between CMST and Vasi on the Harbour line. The NDRF and the railway authorities rescued 290 passengers on Wednesday from 2 local trains stranded on Florida tracks between the CSMT and the Sandurst Road stations. I, Shweta, will come back tomorrow with new updated news. Keep watching Lavafara. Thank you.